Get ready to join us on an epic culinary experience in the heart of Palermo, Sicily. Today, we're taking you on a journey that's all about embracing the vibrant flavors and rich traditions of Sicilian cuisine. Let's dive right in. First stop, Mercato del Capo, one of Palermo's legendary markets. Colorful stalls overflowing with fresh produce, the tantalizing scent of seafood wafting through the air. With our expert guide leading the way, we navigate through this bustling market. With our aprons on and under the guidance of a seasoned local chef, we'll dive into the art of Sicilian cooking. From iconic dishes like arancine to homemade pasta alla Norma, we'll learn the ins and outs of crafting these mouthwatering specialties. Who's ready to master the art of making cannoli? Gathered around the table, we indulge in the fruits of our labor, savoring each bite of our delicious creations. Before we part ways, we leave our email to receive the digital recipe booklet filled with all the secrets we've learned today, ensuring that the magic of Sicilian cuisine lives on in our own kitchens. To discover this and other wonderful experiences, check out the link in bio.